Hey guys, Raf here from Aura Fitness and Yoga in Langley. I am a coach here, and what we're gonna do today are 4 exercises to kind of fine tune your kettlebell swing if you're having trouble with it. So we're gonna get into that right now. Here we go. Alright, so the first exercise is the kettlebell deadlift, and what this does is primes the body to figure out the movement. So the couple things you want to think about is squeezing the kettlebell super tight on the handle to create that tension, and then driving through the hips, squeezing your glutes, and engaging your core. Alright, so number 2 is the kettlebell drag. I really like this one to learn how to engage your lats. So as you're gripping that kettlebell, you want to think of pulling back to get your lats engaged, and that's gonna get that kettlebell swing super tight at the top. Alright, so the third one is the single kettlebell swing, where we're going to start in the start position, swing it back, and snap the hips forward for 1 rep and reset. So what this is going to do is really slow down the swing to then eventually speed it up like a pro. Alright, so the fourth one, if you've been having trouble with the kettlebell swing, I like to use this wall kettlebell stance as a correction. So you're going to line up your heels against the wall, bum against the wall, shoulders, and your head, and that's going to give you that straight line at the top of the swing and kind of give you that feedback to figure out where you went wrong. Alright, so thank you for watching this video, and hopefully those 4 exercises really helped you to kind of troubleshoot your swing, because if you get really good at the swing, you're going to develop power, you're going to burn fat, and you're going to get strong. So that's why I really like the kettlebell swing. And if you can, please like, share, subscribe, do what you got to do on any social media platform, and give us a thumbs up.